Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a clean, fit-together exhaust joint. You want bright metal to avoid contamination. Clamp parts tightly and bevel edges if sheet is thick. Once done, position the gun at a 10-15 degrees push angle and make small tacks every 1-2 inches to lock alignment. Use a short, controlled trigger pull to deposit uniform tacks and avoid warping. Make sure your shielding gas flow is consistent and gloves and helmet are ready before proceeding. You now run the actual bead using short stitch welds to limit heat input and prevent distortion. Keep travel steady. Move smoothly with 1/83/16 molten puddle and pause briefly between stitches to cool. If you have pulse capability, use it to narrow the arc and reduce contamination. Otherwise, lower wire speed and increase voltage slightly to smooth flow. Make sure to clean slag or oxide between passes and maintain a short stick out for better control. You finish by blending welds carefully. Use a fine flap disc to feather edges without overgrinding the stainless. Once done, degrease the area with acetone and apply a passivation solution to restore corrosion resistance if the surface was heated heavily. Inspect inside for leaks by pressure testing. If you see porosity or pinholes, stop, re-clean the area thoroughly, and re-weld small stitch repairs. Key troubleshooting. If you get porosity, check gas flow and contamination sources first and re-tack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.